Okay, boys and girls, you have drawn your fish inside your circle. And your next step is going to be to cut out your fish. Now, you're not going to cut out the circle, you're going to cut out the shape of the fish. Remember that we said that if anything was really small, it would break when the clay dried. It might break. So you want to make sure that the fins are connected to the body of the fish. You want to make sure that nothing is too pointy or too skinny. And it doesn't really matter what you've drawn. The shape that you cut out is the shape that's going to matter. And if you want there to be little texture along this edge, then that's fine. Sometimes I cut better than I draw, so sometimes I may cut this out just a little bit differently than the way that I drew it. And that's just fine. If I can't cut it out with scissors, I'm not going to be able to cut it out with the clay. I do want this to have some kind of a zigzag line on the edge, so I am going to cut that out as and now I have my pattern. This is my pattern that I'm going to use to cut the fish out of the clay.